Comsec, pwedeng pa-check sa civil registry if indeed there is a Jessica Francisco who was born on, what's your birthday?
December 30, 1985.
December 30, 1985. So how old are you now? Alam mo, ikaw napakasinungaling mo 1985 ka pinanganak. Nasaan yung litrato? 1999, nagninegosyo ka na. 14 anyos ka? 14 anyos ka? Ha? Nasaan yung litrato? Alam mo, wag mo kaming lokohin dito Ako ngahingil ako tumayo dahil 1999 nagninegosyo ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng scam. 14 anyos nagnanakaw ka na. Oh, 1999 may textbook scam ka na. Ano nakalagay dyan, 1985? Ano, 14 years old? Minor de edad? May pinatawag ka na ng house? Oh? Nagninegosyo ka na? Ano?
I invoke my right, sir, to remain silent because there is a case po in Sandigan which will be taken on October 28.
Alam mo, ikaw na siguro ang reyna ng mga kasinungalingan Imagine, ngayon ko lang napagtanto. 1985 ka pinanganak. Mukha mo ba yan? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, assuming that is true, your passport is true. Driver's license ba? Passport, your passport. Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
Going 39 po.
39. 1999, 14 years old nga. God damn it, you're a pathological liar.